Hey guys, I'm going to do a review on my Gemmy Christmas singing Cardinal. It was sold at Walmart in like 2001, 2002. This one's got the newer rubber that's on the birds. This one's thicker. On this Cardinal, it's thicker. Unlike these two over there, the robin and the Cardinal couple, the rubber's thinner, but it's a good rubber, and they're gonna last. This rubber will last longer than those guys' rubber, but that rubber doesn't dry up and crumble. So I just got in the mail. Got it for $20, $5 shipping. I gotta put batteries in it, so I'll show you. Show it in action once I put batteries in it. There it is. Alrighty, guys. So here it is in action.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
The gear split. Hang on a minute. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't really get a good spot about recording it. So I'm gonna play it for you. The gear in his head split. Hang on a minute. Okay, there we go.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the finest tents, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.
And here it is on the chirping mode. And so yeah, that's pretty much the Christmas Cardinal for you. Got it for $20. It's a higher pitch one, which I like. I love this. I love the pitch on this guy. I was hoping it wasn't like Jordan's first Christmas Cardinal, but it works good. It's just the head split, the gear and head split, but you can't really fix that without really breaking the thing. So anyways, that's the Gemmy Christmas Cardinal. And thanks for watching.